I've got some new products to show you guys, and I'm going to link these and other products that I've received that I really loved in links below. I've had some products that I didn't love, and I'm not going to link those below. I really appreciate anyone who's watched these videos and that has used my referral code or my links. It's, again, not something that I've made money off of, but it's encouraged me to keep going and to keep doing the channel, because I feel like, okay, someone's using my links. Somebody bought some Rivians and used my referral links. I really appreciate that. Maybe someone bought an air filter. Maybe somebody bought the panoramic glass shade inside, which I highly recommend. And here I have the Third Row. I emailed them as soon as they sent me these ones for the main pano glass. I asked, hey, as soon as you do one for the Third Row, send it to me. I'm dying to show it to people. I think that in the desert, it really helps as well to have that shade up during the summertime. I just kind of leave it up, but it is very easy to take down, wrap up, and stick. I keep it in the wintertime in the basement, just at the bottom. It's very flat, just folds up like a windshield sunshade, sort of twist rolls. It just sits back there. It doesn't take up any space. And as soon as I'm ready, or I'm in another hot environment and I want the shade up, I pull it out, whip it up there. This will be the second air filter that I've installed in here. I'm almost at 20,000 miles. I'm gonna hit that this week. Hopefully got a cool trip to Venice to see the R2 to share with you guys. But after the desert trip, I've been really curious how much dust and sand is in that air filter. So we're gonna get that done today. And even though it's only partially cloudy today, I'm gonna stick the Third Row sunshade up and show you guys how to do that. This is all from Vion. I'll put their link below. They're fantastic. Thanks for watching. Let's get this air filter done. This is my second one. I'm curious to see how much dust, dirt, and debris is in there. You don't actually have to remove this to get at the old filter. Okay, here is the activated charcoal one. Okay, that's the airflow direction. So there's a side-by-side comparison. All right, there we go. Just like that, air filter's done. There you go. Literally anyone can do this. It takes 20 seconds. These are cheap. Use the link down below. I'll post them down there. And anybody that buys anything off of Vion, if you use my link down below, then I get a little bit back. Really haven't made money doing any of this stuff, but it does encourage me to keep going. So thank you so much for anyone who uses it. Okay, here we've got the shade, the Third Row shade that we're gonna put up back there. And we've got the clips, and it says specifically the clip placement right there. So make sure you put them in the right place so it's fully supported. It fits right in the bag that came with the first and second row shades. So it all folds up, rolls up, and fits in the same storage bag, which is fantastic. They use the same clips. Everything's the same. Okay, so from the stored position, it just stores flat in that bag. Really simple, just like any windshield shade. Sort of twists up. Then you're going to put the tabs in on each side like so. And you can see there's no gaps or anything. You can slide these around to get perfect adjustment if you need to. It blocks out 100% of the sunlight, helps keep it cool in here. So for those of you that have the auto tinting pano roof, the Third Row is still not auto tinted. So that's still good value, even for you guys with the fancy tinting pano roof. Again, thanks for watching these videos, supporting my channel, supporting me in doing this. And it's been a fun ride doing these videos so far. Hopefully many more to come.